Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have ID and your Google account set up. Start now by opening Google Pay and tapping your profile photo. Once done, choose Manage Google Account, then Personal Info. You're changing the name at the account level because Google Pay pulls from Google account data. Make sure you're on the correct account if you have multiple. Also confirm two-step verification is available in case Google asks for extra verification during the update. Now tap Name, then Edit, and type your new given name and surname. Use normal letters, avoid emojis or excessive punctuation, because automated checks flag unusual characters. Once entered, tap Save. Google may prompt for verification if the change is significant. Make sure to follow any on-screen prompts to upload ID or confirm identity. Changing a Google account name updates Google Pay, so this is the core change you need to complete the process. After saving, open Google Pay and confirm the displayed name matches your new Google account name. If it hasn't synced, sign out of the app, clear the app cache, or reboot your device, then sign back in. Also allow 24 to 48 hours for server synchronization. If the name still differs, check your payments profile separately or contact Google support and be ready to share your ID and a short explanation to resolve verification blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.